Design patterns will help you to write better code. Not only that, your code will be easier to read, to maintain, to extend, to test, to understand, and so on. This is what you want, and this is what your manager wants. After you finish the course, you have to ask for a raise at your job, and you can send me an email to tell me how it went. Or if you do not work, then you can actually search for work, and trust me, this course will help you a lot. Quality code is paid more than spaghetti code, and with this course, you get knowledge on how to write quality code. If you want to learn more about this course, then you can go on Devlob, and you can see the whole course here. Or you can access this domain which I bought to set up this landing page, which has some information. It is more informative, more compact. So basically we go through 3 types of design patterns: creational, structural, and behavioral. At the end we also take a look at some anti-patterns. For each design pattern we have a solution to a real-life programming problem. In the composite design pattern, for example, which is a free video, we set up a playlist similar to Deezer or Spotify. In the strategy design pattern, another free video, we set up a validation system similar to Laravel. These are only 2 examples, and there is a lot more to this course, of course. As you can see, there are many videos here. And you can get this premium course for $20 for the next 7 days. The course is 4 hours and 37 minutes. Even if this is marked as completed, I might go back to this course and probably add some more design patterns, and the idea is to actually get this around 5 hours or even 6 hours if I can do it, why not? So by getting the course, by buying this premium course, you can get more than 4 hours and 37 minutes in the future.